over 3000 years old practice, father of modern Kung Fu, one of the oldest and most scientific martial arts in the world. Kalaripayattu, derived from two words, Kalari meaning place of exercise or gymnasium and Payattu meaning to fight or exercise. Kalari literally means threshing floor or battlefield. The word Kalari first appears in the Tamil Sangam literature to describe both a battlefield and combat arena. Believed to be originated in the 3rd century BC, the Saint Parshurama is said to be the founder of Kalaripayattu. The martial art was practiced by the warrior class of Kerala to protect the land. Flourished during the 100 Years' War period between the powerful dynasties of Cholas, Cheras and Pandyas around the 11th century. Kalaripayattu, an ancient Indian martial arts, encompasses a comprehensive combat system, from unarmed technique to mastery of various weapons like sticks, daggers and swords. It blends graceful movements with deadly precision, drawing inspiration from the agility and tactics of animals. The practice of Kalaripayattu is divided mainly into 4 stages: Methari, body control exercises; Holdhari, practice of wooden weapons; Angthari, practice of metal weapons; Verumkai, bare hand fighting techniques. Practice of Kalari provides significant benefits to the practitioners. The traditions of combat are practiced for various reasons, such as self-defense, mental and spiritual development, performances, and for the preservation of a nation's intangible cultural heritage. Stay tuned for more insights into the rich heritage of Indian philosophy, arts, and science as we continue to uncover the treasures of ancient wisdom.